everyone. Today I will discuss about campus operation and environmental management topic. First, I would like to explain about campus operation. What do you mean by campus operation? Campus operation refer to the activities that take place on campus to keep it safe, attractive and functional. These activities include facilities, security, event planning, classroom scheduling, resource management, sustainability, accessibility and diversity. First, I will discuss about facility. Facility provide maintenance the campus building, including the student residential campus. Second is security. Security provide ensuring the campus is safe and secure. Third one is event planning. Event planning provide planning events and conferences. Then classroom scheduling provides scheduling classes and other academic activities. Then resource management manage the use of energy, water, waste and food. Resource management manage how to use the technology, how to use the water, how to use the waste, how to use the food. Then sustainability, reducing emission. Sustainability reduce emissions using renewable energy and improve biodiversity. So that sustainability improving biodiversity. Then last one is accessibility and diversity. Accessibility and diversity promote the inclusive campus design and equitable access to resources. Then now I will discuss about environmental management. We can say that environmental management is the practice of understanding, planning and controlling how an organization impacts the environment. It is a systematic approach that aims to reduce negative environmental impact and promote sustainability, so that we can say that environmental management reduce negative environment and improve or promote sustainability. Then we can also say that environmental management refer to the actual decision. Environmental management take actual decisions and action to assess, promote, allocate, develop, use, rehabilitate, remediate and restore resources and the environment. So we can say that environmental management take actual decisions and take to assess, protect, allocate, remediate, restore resources and all environment. Then what is the environmental management goals? Environmental management goals. There are many environmental goals. First one is reduce negative environment impact. One of the main goal of environmental manage reduce the negative environment impact. Then second one is ensure compliances with environmental regulation. Environmental management's goal is environmental management ensure with the environmental regulation. Whatever regulation in the environmental management ensure compliances. Then third goal of environmental management is environmental management create maintain conditions that allow society and nature constants. Then we can can say that environmental management create maintaining condition that allow society. Environmental management maintain condition, whatever condition, negative conditions or positive conditions that allow society. Environmental management allow the society how create and maintain condition toward nature and society. Then a good environmental management help limit cost. A good environmental management help limit cost, lower energy bills, lower waste treatment cost, increase gains from recovery, which in turn and maximize human benefit. So, environmental management help limit cost. Environmental management reduce limitations of cost limit. Then increase gain from recovery, which in turn and maximization human benefit. Maximum to maximum human gets benefit from that environment.